Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. In this video I'm going to review the Forex trading system that's provided by 200forexclips.com. And guys, this trading system is very simple. I'm just going to highlight the very good things about this system, that how to use this system in a very effective way. So guys, you can see there are two red boundaries. You can see the first red boundary is at the top and the lower red boundary is into the lower red portion. So basically the top red boundary stands for overbought levels, where you can say that the buying pressure can stop, whereas the lower red boundary stands for the oversold levels, where the sellers can go out from the market. So how we use this system? So whenever we see that the market is into the top red boundary, like look, for example, look at the current position that's going on USD Canada, and the market has gone into the top red boundary after the 4 bullish candles, and now look at this candle. If it closes bearish, then it means that we are getting a signal that the market is getting the rejection from this level. Then after this we can say that the market can get the drop from these levels. So this is how we use it. So once you see that the market has started the proper downward trend, then you can sell the pair. That could be a very good selling position, because if you look at the previous trend was up. And the very good thing about this indicator is this: whenever you see the hourly candle is closed above the middle dotted line, you can see there is a middle dotted line here. So if it closes above this one, then you can expect a further upward trend, and look, the pair has gone up. But whenever you see that the market has gone into the top red boundary, and if it starts making the bearish pattern, then you can sell the pair. If this hour closes, then definitely we will take the chance into the selling pressure. This strategy is only right now what I am talking about. This is only based on the 1 hour, but if you look at the higher time frames, things will be different, and you need to understand the higher time frames also. But right now I am explaining you as per the 1 hour trading strategy. Okay, now look at some other pair. Okay, now look at Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, very simple. If you look at here, basically the oversold level starts from the blue boundary here. So from the blue boundary the market started to go up, and then it reaches to the top red boundary. And now look at this candle. This candle looks like that it is getting the bearish pressure. So guys, we can take the chances like this. Like whenever we see that the market is getting the rejection, simply take a chance into the market and try your luck through the indicator. And now look at this pattern. When it entered into the lower red boundary, the market makes a very good bullish candle, and after that it started to go up. It closes above the line, above the middle line, and then it has moved further up. And when we have seen the complete bullish trend here, with you can see the number of hours: 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours. The price monitor was also stayed into the green, to giving a buy signal. So guys, this is a very good indicator that can be used for the daily trading. Similarly, I can show you the rest of pairs too. That's not a problem. Okay, for example, look. Okay, now what happened today with USD CHF? We have a drop. The market just entered into the lower red boundary, and what happened when it entered the lower red boundary? It made a bullish pin. It closed bullish, and after that now you can see that the market started to go up, and it's pumped very much high during this hour. And now let's say if this hour is also closed above the dotted middle line, then again the next candle can be bullish, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover guys, I am just going to give you the one more side of this indicator that's very important. So let's say if the market is into the top red boundary, for example, look at here. So we receive two signals from the scalper. I mean, the third indicator is the scalper, which gives you the signals in the form of arrows. Now look, it has given you the two signals, like two red and one white. So guys, simple formula you can use to avoid the misleading trade. So for example, first of all, if it gives the red signal, first of all you will check where the market stands. If the market is at the top red boundary, this means that this is the overbought levels, so the red signal can be good. Okay, but if it gives you the white signal to buy the pair at the top red boundary, then you will simply ignore the pair, because the market is already into the overbought levels, so you will not give the grass to that signal. So look what happened. After waiting for some hours, we have seen the drop on this pair. It means that here red signal was good and white signal was not good. That's why I'm going to talk about this, that always look for the white signals into the lower red boundary and red signals in the top red boundary. Like white signal was appeared here and the market was a bit slow, and after a few hours the market gained the momentum and the market has gone up. So guys, you can use this trading system for your swing trading. This system gives you excellent results if you use it with swing trading, with patience and with confirmations. But the confirmation is called wait for at least a 1 or 2 bullish candles in the lower red boundary and wait for at least 1 or 2 bearish candles from the top red boundary, and then give some time to the trade. Do not use very high lot size, and if you feel that the market is getting a drop and in a very good way, then you can take a maximum chances. Like after touching the blue boundary, it was getting a massive drop, then you can take a chance into the sell position. And whenever you see that the market is getting the maximum upward momentum, then you can only use the highest loss trade. But overall, look, we have getting the bullish signs on USD CHF. And guys, I think I have explained very well about this trading system, and now hopefully you will be able to use the system in an efficient way. So guys, if you want to get this trading indicators, then simply email me on info@200forexclips.com. These indicators are very useful if you use them in a wise way. I have told you the methodology that how to use them and how to get the profit from these indicators. So guys, if you want to get these indicators, simply send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share these video analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.